In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Outlook not responding or hang. Freeze issues. We'll move from the quickest checks to deeper fixes so you can get back to your inbox with minimal downtime. Before we start, if Outlook is frozen, you may lose any unsaved drafts. So keep that in mind as you proceed. First, close any hanging Outlook processes. Sometimes Outlook looks frozen because a previous session never actually closed. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. If you see a More Details button, click it so you can view all processes. In the Processes tab, look for any instances of Outlook.exe. Click each one and choose End Task. This fully shuts down lingering background copies that can block a clean launch. Once they're gone, try opening Outlook again to see if it responds normally. If it still misbehaves, start Outlook in safe mode to rule out faulty add-fans. Press Windows plus R, type Outlook.exe failsafe, and press Enter. Safe mode loads the core app without custom extensions. If Outlook works smoothly here, the issue is likely an add-fend. Go to File, then Options. Then Add-fans. At the bottom, set the Manage box to COM add-fans and click Go. Uncheck all add-fans, click OK, and restart Outlook normally. If it now runs fine, you can later enable add-fans selectively to identify the one causing the freeze. If the problem persists, repair the Office installation. Open the Control Panel and go to Programs and Features. Find your Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 installation. Right-click it, and select Change. You'll see Quick Repair and Online Repair. Quick Repair is faster and works without internet. Online Repair is more thorough and can fix deeper corruption by reinstalling core files. Choose the option that fits your situation and follow the prompts. Be patient. Repairs can take several minutes, and a reboot may be requested. If none of that resolves it, create a fresh Outlook profile. A corrupted profile can cause not responding errors even when the app itself is fine. In Control Panel, search for Mail and open it. Then select Show Profiles. Click Add. Give the new profile a name and follow the steps to re-aid your email account. Under When starting Microsoft Outlook, use this profile. Set the new profile as the default. This doesn't delete mail that lives on your email server. It simply rebuilds Outlook's local configuration. That's it. Thanks for watching.